Mozambique reggae artist Ras Haitrm recently launched his album Go and Tell the World. Let's hear more about him and his album.
If I would be a samba musician, I would go to Brazil. If I would be a rumba musician, I would go to Cuba. But Jamaica, why? Because reggae music is from Jamaica, everybody knows, and that's the best place to, on my point of view, to launch an album. In my point of view, again, if Jamaica blesses your album or blesses you, you're blessed. The album is also excuse to be part of Jamaica family, of the Jamaican family. So working with George Miller and his family and the Iconic Band and Firehouse Crew, it's a big pleasure for me and overwhelming experience.
Well, what's the whole idea behind the title of the album?
The whole idea is my concern about the way the things are going nowadays everywhere in the world. If you see in any news, things are not okay. I'm not gonna mention each thing, but like things are not okay. We all would like the world to become better. We're gonna have kids, sons, and the sons of our sons would have to live in a better place. And as I said earlier, it's up to us to do that. No one's going to say it's the government, it's whatever. It's up to each one of us. And the time is right now. Change the world, heal the world. That's all behind, that's the message behind the album. And I would like the album to become a movement, not a simple CD with 12 songs inside, but a movement. Each one should feel that I can also heal this world with what I do, gardening, building, whatever you do.
With some Jamaican musicians on the album, the Firehouse Crew. Talk to me about collaborations with the Jamaican artists on the album. Who did you collaborate with from Jamaica on the album?
So far, I did collaborate with Jabarai, yes, and let me tell you that he has an album coming next month. And we have a video together, and the song is It's Not For Long.
Now talk to me about the launch here tonight at Eden Gardens. What was the vibe like for you? I mean, how did you respond to the reception that you received? What you thought about the reception you received?
I was really afraid because, as I told you earlier, coming here is kind of looking for approval, you know? Like I put myself into a judgment, so it was like I feel that I got accepted and people like it, and I have the feeling I'm in a good way. And as I say, if Jamaica likes it, the rest of the world is gonna like it for sure.
What's the message that they should expect from the album?
The album has a little bit of political contest, as all we live is political. As we wake up and breathe, it's all political. Has romantic songs, as I said, no more romantic. We're taking this word to a next level. Has romantic songs, a little bit of conscious dancehall, and I think the whole album is one, even if it has different flavors in terms of tracks, but the whole album carries one message, which is peace, love, and harmony, and heal the next one. You're healing the world already.
Yeah, give her a hope you feel joy.
Magnum Xplosion takes place on December 14th at the Melbourne Cricket Oval in Kingston. Let's get the details.
Chacha boy, be a chacha ni swigwa away. Chacha boy, be a chacha ni swigwa away. Be a chacha boy, be a chacha ni.
Magnum Xplosion is the 6th stage in here in Jamaica. We started off this year on Easter Monday in Guyana, and it was such a success that we decided to make it a regional platform. And we've been to 5 countries so far, including Trinidad, that had more than 10,500. And the connection to dancehall music was an important prospect for us to continue the show here in Jamaica, which is the home of dancehall. And this stage will be the biggest so far. I think in the other shows we have an average of about 3 to 4 Jamaican acts, but already we're upwards of 15 acts that are performing on this show.
It a must taste this cheese. Tell me sweet, say she want taste it please. And I smile with the pretty braces teeth.
This is Jamaica, and it's the home of dancehall, home of reggae. Magnum is tied significantly to dancehall music, and that's one of the reasons why we create the show in the rest of the region. Is the rest of the region look forward to our music in terms of dancehall and of course reggae. And this Magnum being synonymous with reggae and dancehall, it was very, very important that we brought it to the home of dancehall, you know, to give it the notoriety that it needed to continue to live throughout the region. But already we're upwards of 25,000 consumers who came out this year across the region to watch our Magnum Xplosion.
I'm shining on the plans right now. Start up to be my hand drive all there. So me have to give thanks to the world's boss.
Tell us who's performing.
Well, of course, our brand ambassador Ding Dong is definitely going to grace the stage with ravers. Idonia, who graced the stage with us in Guyana, and of course in St. Lucia, did pretty well for us, and it was amazing. And of course Spice, and we're looking forward to Spice because of course over the last few months she has been really entertaining and really groundbreaking on the internet. So we're looking forward to seeing her perform. The governor will be there, and of course, you know, TJ, who's blazing up the radio air, will be there as well. So we're looking forward to a great show. You know, it's so exciting. I mean, tickets are going crazy, and it's very affordable. Only $1,500 pre-sold, $2,000 at the gate, and of course when you enter the gate you get 2 Magnums, so you can ask. It's really a free show if you really ask. It's Magnum giving back to you.
We're winning right now, you say we're winning right now. Me forget that trophy to what me living right now, cause
Fibre is a central point for all Jamaicans. It's one of the biggest, crossroads in Jamaica in terms of the amount of people who pass there. And of course, if we're giving back to Jamaica and the grassroots people, definitely that's where we'll go with Halfway Tree. You just jump off a bus, a taxi, and just walk right down to the Oval. It's going to be amazing. You know, Main Events and Ramesh Entertainment have been promoting and planning the setup of this, and it's going to be a spectacular stage, a spectacular experience. Not a show without Magnum Entertainment, and of course what we're going to be having, the Magnum girls will be taking the stage live, and that's already in itself an entire act, an entire promotion. We have Magnum on special in the venue, but we are also setting up a lot of activities within the venue. So not only will you get 2 Magnum when you come through the gate, there will be a lot of activities ongoing. Of course, those are surprises. I can't tell you everything until you get there, but I can tell you this is one of the biggest and the best show that you'll have for this Christmas.
The Caribbean video, Toots Hibbert and the Magnum Top 10 when we return.
The sun it hot like fire, but I still have to go try and get you when me have to do today. My friend them pan the corner, me I link them out, we gonna ride up soon. Go look around me say, I ride cool, me say, I play cool, me say, I stay cool, me say, I drink cool, me say. My friend them build this rhythm with I cool, them drink it in them with I cool for life, I cool for life.
What to cook for dinner today? You have the key to my heart right there.
Mommy, what's for dinner?
Corned beef and rice.
Uh-oh.
Ian, what's that noise?
Nothing, Mommy.
Dinner's ready.
Great quality products for the entire family at unbeatable prices. Hilo, making life easier.